Hello, my name's Anita Jupp. I'm a dental speaker and a business coach, and certainly enjoying the opportunity to work with Tim Brown at Roy Corporation. I've been in dentistry over 30 years, and I'm still very passionate about dentistry, the opportunities and the career, and all that goes with dentistry, with the aesthetics and the advances in technology. However, it is realistic of me to be totally open in the fact that many dentists are feeling a little frustrated, a little overwhelmed, and not really sure, what direction that they're going in. A lot of changes too fast sometimes causes a little bit of frustration. Doctors, they worry about staffing issues. So I think making changes can be very positive. What I'm saying to dentists is, don't worry, be happy. Identify some of the things that are causing you some frustration, and keep in fact that it doesn't work to bury your head in the sand, and I call it the ostrich syndrome, thinking that some of the frustrations are just going to magically go away. Change is so much easier than you think. At Roy Corporation, we put together a really nice flyer asking some questions, maybe 10, 15, 20 questions to dentists, so that you can identify some of the frustrations and enjoy going to work with less stress. I think it's very important that you open up and support your team. And that is a problem that many team members say, well, we don't need support, we're doing it right, we've done it this way before. But that isn't always correct. The fact that you're doing it the way you've always done it before, it doesn't make it work, it doesn't make it perfect, because time's changing. So these are some of the questions that I'd love for the dentist to ask themselves. Are you truly proud of your team's customer service? Do you know how many patients you lose a month? Not only if you're losing them, but why are you losing them? If you have an associate, are you confident and pleased with their commitment to your patients? Do you have a system to monitor your case acceptance, to monitor your accounts receivable, the tracking and follow-up of all the treatment that you've diagnosed that may be incomplete? Do your team communicate well with the patients? Are the patients leaving well informed with all their questions answered and happy? Do you have a current, up-to-date office policy that your team can review and make sure there's no misunderstandings or disappointments? Do you feel that you could be more productive without working longer hours? Basically, are you happy when you go to work? So, number one, I think it's important for dentists to identify the things that are less than ideal for the office, and then make a commitment to making some changes. Not a lot all at once, but just minimally. And I think it's very important to remember that sometimes you need support. Somebody that's very positive to work with the team that can make change easy. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call. It's Anita Jupp, Roy Corporation, and we would be happy to come into your office and help you for a day to have a meeting with your team, or we invite you to bring your team to the head office in Mississauga and we can coordinate a meeting outside of the office. We're here to help you. Thank you.